Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I'll talk more about the Tein coilovers that replaced the FKs that I had. These are the front coilovers from Teins. Looks like they're built pretty well. These are the Tein Super Street coilovers for the MX5 NA, also known as Miata in the United States. I got these coilovers second hand, but they look to be in pretty good condition. Just look at the top mount. It's made of some certain metal. Very good condition with dampening adjustments as well. I love the green though, looks very nice, look like the Incredible Hulk. And these are 10 kg springs. These are 6 kg springs for the rear. I think originally they came with 5 kg springs, but these are the 6 kg ones. Same, still good condition. I have to say this again. These are beautiful shocks, especially in the signature Tein greens. These are like their standard colors, which are superb. Can't wait to put them on the MX5. This is a visual comparison between the FK and the Tein Super Streets. It can be seen that the FK certainly lacks a bit of finesse with as compared to the Teins. Just look at the top mount. The top mount is the stock NA top mounts that I had to put on because the FK doesn't come with it. The FK definitely feels much cheaper than the Teins that we have, but that's because the FKs are like 1/3 price of the Teins. That's to be expected anyway. The FK might seem like a longer shock than the Tein, but that's not true. It's because the top head doesn't want to compress the spring like the Tein. Now here's a visual comparison between the rear shocks of the Tein and the FK. You can see that the Teins are built pretty well. The FKs are not too bad. Only thing, it's the same as the front. The top head doesn't want to sit and compress the spring like the Tein shock. Also, I have to use the ONA top heads for the FK shocks, just like the front, whereas the Teins come with their own. The installation process was pretty simple. The FKs were a bit difficult to get out because as you can see, when I took out the shocks, the top head doesn't want to compress as well, so I have to jiggle it quite a bit, but I eventually got it out. The FK sits pretty well. The car was pretty low, whereas these new Teins, I lowered it all the way to the bottom, but it's still pretty high when it sits for now. I guess that could be attributed to the 10 kg springs, but it looks pretty nice right at the top. You can see the Tein words, and you have the dampening adjustment that you can easily adjust. This is the old FK coilovers that the Teins replaced. Sit pretty well in the MX5. Only thing is, when I installed it, there was a bit of a creaking sound. I thought it was at the bottom, but it's not true. It's actually from the top, near the top head, right at the top. I had to actually put some high temp grease right at the top to mute the sound. These are the stock top heads for the NA. These are the covers that hide the nut that is there. Pretty standard. Now this is the video of the rear shock that replaced the FKs. It's pretty low, pretty good adjustments. Look pretty good in that mean green, I mean. Wow. And if you're asking why the rear springs look black and the front is the green one, it's because the front is a replacement spring directly from Tein, whereas the rear is the stock spring from Tein. So how does it compare to the Teins? Well, the Teins are definitely much better on the road, much more dampening. It could be due to the dampening adjustments, but it feels much better, much more plush. Cornering is a bit less harsh, especially over big bumps and all. But cornering is not as flat as the FKs. The FKs are a bit more aggressive in that aspect. But the Teins, there are so much more adjustments on the Teins that I'm still going through it. But definitely the Teins are worth every penny. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to see more of these MX5 videos. Thank you so much.